Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy day on this one, and although you got to give credit where credit's due, a very nice recovery. I mean, when you stop and think about the fact that the price, first off, just gap down, not exactly a sign of bullishness, and then even after the gap down, that opening 30 minutes, the price just basically went straight down. But from that point forward, the price has, started to bounce back upwards. I mean, there's still work that needs to be done, don't get me wrong. My point is that relatively speaking, from where the price was at these lows, to where it was able to fight back up to, nice solid move here. And it's still got work to be done in terms of, putting in some new highs and breaking through areas of resistance. But I think I probably speak for most longs that say, yeah, having the price bounce back up relative to being down here, or I mean, even worse yet, continuing on down, not such a bad thing. So as far as levels to keep an eye on moving forward, first key level remains right up here around $28.40. That is, let me squeeze this down, a level of resistance that, you go through the history of the chart and you can see that has just presented a problem whenever the price has gotten up around it. And even right there, price got slightly through it, but never quite really got that much separation. And that's the key little learning lesson there is you got to remember supports, resistance levels are not exact specific prices. There is a range element associated with it. So sure, technically speaking, the price did get up above the red line, but it was still well within the range, which, again, ultimately proved to be resistance as the price, got, booted back to the downside today. But if there is any sort of attempted, continuation to the upside, the big question mark, and the big kind of check mark there that will need to be accomplished by the bulls is pushing up through 28.40. As far as levels of support are concerned, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that line now, and that way we'll just make this a little bit easier to see. And really the main level of support to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued at right around the $27 mark. So ideally, you want to see the price stay up above there. But all in all, nice recovery from a very rough start, but let's see if the price can continue to build upon this momentum moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.